Good morning to all. Today I will discuss about chapter 5 admission of your partner. Today I will discuss about revaluation. So sum number 5, Shinu and Siva are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 5:3. In the view of Kausalya, admission they desire A. To increase the value of buildings by 40,000, to bring into record investment at rupees 10,000 which have not so far been bought into account. C. To decrease the value of machinery by 14,000 and furniture by 12,000. To write off sundry creditors by rupees 16,000. Pause journal entry and prepare revaluation account. Same revaluation account format, debit side asset decrease, same asset decrease, credit side asset increase, asset decrease, asset increase, liability increase, liability decrease. So asset increase, increasing means another name increase or appreciated or created or recorded. Increase ka another name appreciated, recorded or created. Decrease ka another name, decrease ka another name depreciate. Decrease ka another name depreciate, write off, depreciate, write off. Same revaluation account. First adjustment, to increase the value of buildings. Buildings is asset, asset value increase. Same revaluation account only credit side by buildings rupees 40,000. Second one, to bring into record. Record means increase. Investment is asset. Asset increasing means same credit side by investment account rupees 10,000 rupees. Third one, to decrease the value of machinery by rupees 14,000 and furniture by 12,000 rupees. So machinery and furniture is asset. Asset decreasing means debit side. To machinery account 14,000, to furniture account 12,000 rupees. To write off means decrease. Write off another name decrease. Sundry creditors is a liability. Liability decreasing means the credit side by sundry creditors value 16,000 rupees. Total increasing for credit side 40,000 plus 10 50, 50 plus 16 66,000. Same 66,000, 66 minus 26,000 balance 40,000 rupees. By revaluation profit or profit on revaluation transfer to old partners capital account. This sum old partners for Sinu's capital and Siva's capital. 40,000 into ratio 5:3 ratio. Okay, in the ratio of 5:3, 5 by 8 first partner, 8 means 5 plus 3 8, 5 by 8, 40,000 into 3 by 8. Same first partner 25,000, second partner 15,000, total 40,000 rupees. Next journal entry. First only assets credit side journal entry. Only this items only recorded in only one journal entry. Buildings, investment and sundry creditors. Buildings, investment, sundry creditors only recorded in credit side. Same journal entry opposite side. Buildings credit opposite debit. Buildings account debtor. Investment account debtor to sundry creditors account debtor to revaluation account. 40,000, 10,000, 16,000, total 66,000. Narration, increase in the value of buildings, unrecorded investment and sundry creditors write off. Second one, only machinery and furniture is recorded in debit side, debit opposite credit. Same second entry, revaluation account debtor to machinery account credit to furniture account credit, totals 26,000 rupees. Narration, reduction in the value of machinery and furniture recorded. Third only profit entry. Only profit is a revaluation profit recorded in debit side, debit opposite credit. Same revaluation account debtor to only old partner's name to Sinu's capital account and Siva's capital account. Sinu 25,000, Siva 15,000 rupees, total 40,000 revaluation. Narration, profit on revaluation transferred. Next sum number 7. Amal and Vimal are partner in the firm sharing profit or losses in the ratio of 7:5. Their balance sheet as on 31st March 2019 is as follow. Liabilities rupees, asset rupees, capital account Amal and Vimal 1,20,000, sundry creditors 30,000, profit or loss account 24,000, land 80,000, furniture 20,000, stock 25,000, debitors 30,000 and bank 10,000 rupees. Nirmal is admitted as a new partner on 1/4/2018 by introducing a capital of rupees 30,000 for 1/3 share in the future profit, subject to the following adjustment. A. Stock to be depreciated by rupees 5,000. Provision for doubtful debits is to be created for rupees 3,000. Land to be appreciated by 20,000. Prepare revaluation account and capital account of partners after admission. First step, revaluation account. Same revaluation account means so debit side and credit side, asset decrease, asset increase, liability increase, liability decrease. Same first one, stock to be depreciated. Depreciated means decrease. Stock means asset. Asset decreasing means debit side to stock 5,000 rupees. Second one, provision. Provision is a liability. Liability created means increase. Provision for doubtful debits to be created for rupees 3,000. So liability increase. Liability increasing means debit side to provision for doubtful debits 3,000 rupees. Third adjustment, land to be appreciated. Appreciated means increase. Land is a asset. Asset increasing means debits credit side by land 20,000 rupees. Same debit side credit side 20,000. Same debit side 20,000. 20,000 minus 8,000. Revaluation profit 12,000 rupees. Revaluation profit transferred to old partners capital account for this some old partner Amal and Vimal. Same ratio 7:5 ratio. Amal 12,000 into 7/12. 12 means 7 plus 5, 2 ratios. Same Vimal 12,000 into 5/12, 7,000, 5,000, total 12,000 rupees. Second step, capital account. Capital account only recorded in only credit side. Only 5 steps. First step, old partners capital account. First step, capital account credit side steps. First step, old partners capital account. Second step, new partners capital. Third step, reserve fund or workman compensation fund. So recorded in credit side. Fourth step, goodwill. Fourth step, goodwill. Fifth step, revaluation profit. Fifth step, revaluation profit. Sixth step, profit or loss. Profit or loss is a sum. Balance sheet, liability side recorded in so opposite side, credit side. Asset side recorded in debit side. Totally 5 steps. First step, old partners capital account. Second step, new partners capital account. Third step, reserve fund or workman compensation fund. Fourth step, goodwill. Fifth step, revaluation profit. Sixth step, profit or loss is a liability side means it's a credit side. Asset side means debit side. First step, old partners capital account. Same 3 partners name. Particulars Amal and Vimal and Nirmal. Particulars Amal and Vimal and Nirmal for credit side and debit side. First step, old partners capital account. By balance brought down, this sum old partners for Amal and Vimal 70,000, 50,000 rupees. First step, old partners by balance brought down 70,000, 50,000. New partners no. Second step, new partners capital. Only new partners name by bank or cash. By bank, only new old partners no. Only new partners 30,000 rupees. Profit or loss. Same this sum profit or loss only liability side means it's a credit side. By profit or loss, total profit or loss value 24,000. 24,000 into 7/12 and 24,000 into 5/12 dividing for old partners capital 14,000 and 10,000. By revaluation profit for answer 7,000 and 5,000. 7,000 and 5,000. Total 91,000. Vimal 65,000. Nirmal 30,000. Same debit side. No value 91, 65, 30,000. To balance carry down. 1 year closing stock. Next year opening stock. By balance brought down 91,000, 65,000 and 30,000 rupees. Next third adjustment. New profit sharing ratio and sacrificing ratio. So new profit sharing ratio. So new profit sharing ratio is the agreed proportion in the which future profit will be distributed to all the partners including the new partners, dividing for old partners and new partners. If the new profit sharing ratio is not agreed, the partners will share the profit and losses equally. So agreed means dividing for all partners. Not agreed means dividing for profit or loss for old partners and new partners, equally dividing for profits. Second one, sacrificing ratio. Sacrificing ratio is the proportion of the profit which is sacrificed or forgone by the old partners in favor of new partner. The purpose of finding the sacrificing ratio is to the share the goodwill bought in by a new partners. So formula, share sacrificed is equal to old ratio or new ratio, old ratio minus new ratio, or old share minus new share. Sacrificing ratio is equal to ratio of share sacrificed by the old partners. So calculation of sacrificing ratio and new profit sharing ratio under different situation. A, when new profit sharing ratio is given means when new profit sharing ratio is given, sacrificing ratio has been calculated as follow. Share sacrificed is equal to old share minus new share. Sacrificing ratio is equal to ratio of share sacrificed by old partners. Second one, when new profit sharing ratio is not given, when new profit sharing ratio is not given means, but the share sacrificed by the old partner is given, new profit sharing ratio is calculated as follow. Only new profit sharing ratio calculation means new share of old partners equal to old share minus share sacrificed. Share of new partners equal to sum of share sacrificed by old partners. Next, B. When proportion of share sacrificed is given, when proportion of share sacrificed is given, first one, when share sacrificed is given as a proportion on old partner's share is given as a proportion on the old partner's share, new profit sharing ratio is calculated as follow. Share sacrificed by old partners equal to old share into proportion of share sacrificed. New share of old partners equal to old share minus share sacrificed. Share of new partners equal to sum of share sacrificed by old partners. Next one, second one. When proportion of share sacrificed on new partner share is given, new profit sharing ratio is calculated as follow. New share of old partners equal to old share minus share sacrificed. Share sacrificed is equal to new partner share into proportion of share sacrificed. When share sacrificed and proportion of share sacrificed is not given, is calculated assuming that the share sacrificed the proportion of old share, and new profit sharing ratio is calculated as share sacrificed is equal to new partner share into old share. New share of old partners equal to old share minus share sacrificed. Sum number 8. Praveena and Tanya are partner, sharing profit in the ratio of 7:3. They admit Malini into the firm. The new ratio among Praveena, Tanya and Malini is 5:2:3. Calculate the sacrificing ratio. Old ratio of Praveena and Tanya 7:3. So old ratio 7:3, that is 7/10:3/10. 10 means 7 plus 3, 10. New ratio of Praveena and Tanya and Malini, 3 partners, 2 partner old partner, 1 partner new partner. New ratio of Praveena, Tanya and Malini, so 5:2:3. 5:2:3, that is 5/10:2/10:3/10. Only calculation of sacrificing ratio or share sacrificed. sacrificing ratio, another name share sacrificed is equal to old share minus new share. Old share minus new share. So Pravina old share 7/10. 7/10 minus new share 5/10. 7 minus 5 2/10. Tanya old share 3/10. Old share 3/10. New share 2/10. 3/10 minus 2/10 is equal to 1/10. Sacrificing ratio of Pravina and Tanya is equal to 2:1. 2:1. Sum number 9. Anand and Suman are partners, sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 3:2. The admit Sharan for 1/share, which he acquired entirely from Anand. So new partners is come in. So only profit or capital investment. Same investment amount pay for Anand. Only old partners, only one partners pay. Find out the new profit sharing ratio and sacrificing ratio. This some old ratio for 3:2. That is 3/10 is to 2/10. Share sacrificed by old partners, only new partner 1/share. So pay from he acquires entirely from Anand. Pay for Anand. Anand share 1/5. Suman no paid for profit value. Only 0. Same sacrificing ratio is equal to 1:0. Second step, new profit sharing ratio. New profit sharing ratio is equal to old share minus new share. New profit sharing ratio is equal to old share minus new share. Old share value Anand 3/5 old share and share sacrificed value 1/5. Sacrificing value 1/5 is equal to 2/5. Suman only old share only given 2/5. New share no given. Only 0 is equal to 2/5. Only new partner Saran. Saran value is given 1/5. Same 1/5. New profit sharing ratio of Anand, Suman and Saran is equal to 2:1. Sum number 10. Raja and Ravi are partner, sharing profit in the ratio of 3:2. The admit of Ram from 1/4 shares of profit. Only profit for Ramu 1/4. He takes 1/20 shares from Raja and 4/20 from Ravi. Calculate new profit sharing ratio and sacrificing ratio. Only this sum. Sacrificing ratio also given. Same. Share sacrificed given. Only first partner Raja 1/20. Ravi 4/20. 1/20 is equal to 4/20. Sacrificing ratio is equal to 1:4. Second one, old profit sharing ratio. Old partners rash 3:2. That is 3/5 is to 2/5. New shares of old partner. Calculation of new profit sharing ratio or new share of old partners equal to old share minus share sacrificed. First partner Raja. Raja old share for 3/5 minus share sacrificed value 1/20. Same 3/5 minus 1/20 means LCM 5 and 20 calcium balance 20. Same this value 20 means 5 into 4 are 20. 3 into 4 are 12. 12 minus 1 is equal to 11/20. Ravi old share 3/5 minus share sacrificing value 4/20. So common value 20. LCM is 20. Same 5 into 4 are 20. Same this value 20 means 5 into 4 are 20. 2 into 4 are 8. 8 minus 4 is equal to 4/20. Same old profit partner. Ram is a new partner. New profit value for 1/4 means this value also 11/20. 4/20 means this sum 1/4 means same 20 means 5 into 4 are 20. 5 into 1 are 5. 5/20. New profit sharing ratio of Raja, Ravi and Ramu is equal to 11:4:5. Sum number 11. Vimal and Kamal are partner, sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 4:3. Vinita entire into a partnership and she acquires 1/14 from Vimal and 1/14 from Kamala. Find out new profit sharing ratio and sacrificing ratio. Share sacrificing ratio also given 1/14 is equal to 1/14. Sacrificing ratio is equal to 1:1. Old ratio 4:3, that is 4/7 minus 3/7. New shares of or new profit sharing ratio is equal to old share minus share sacrificing. Vimalku old share 4/7, new share 1/14. Same 7 14 LCM 14. 7, this value also 14 means 7 into 2 are 14. Same 2 4 into 2 are 8 minus 1 7/14. Kamala 3/7 minus 1/14. Same LCM 14. 7 into 2 are 14. 3 into 2 are 6. 6 minus 1 5/14. The new partner, shares of new partner Vinita is equal to sum of shares sacrificed by old partner is equal to 1/14 sacrificing ratio first partner, second partner also 1/14 is equal to 2/14. New profit sharing ratio is equal to for three partners, for Vimala and Kamala and Vinita 7:5:2. Next assignment 14. Anbu and Raju are partner sharing profit in the ratio of 3:2. Akshay is admitted as a partner. The new profit sharing ratio among Anbu, Raju and Akshay is 5:3:2. Find out the sacrificing ratio. Suresh and Dinesh are partner sharing profit in the ratio of 3:2. They admit Ramesh as a new partner. Suresh surrendered 1/5 shares, his share, in favor of Ramesh. Dinesh surrendered 2/5 of his shares in favor of Ramesh. Calculate the new profit sharing ratio and sacrificing ratio.